In today's video, let's learn how to remove ghost followers on Instagram. For the people who don't know, ghost followers are those followers who are inactive or are those followers which may be a fake account or a bot. So if you want to remove these ghost followers from your followers list, in this video I'm gonna exactly show you how you can do this. Now you cannot do this within the app of Instagram because there is no section where you can view those ghost followers. So you need to download this application called followers.unfollowers. This application is available on Play Store. You can easily download this application onto your phones, and once downloaded you'll need to open it up and then log into your Instagram account. Type in your details and then log in. And once you are logged in, you can see this interface. On the top it shows a couple of options such as who don't follow you back, follower history, followings history, and the other option is ghost. So this is a section where you can view all of those ghost followers. If no one is currently showing right now, you can just tap on refresh, tap on next, and it is going to show you all of your ghost followers. Now to just unfollow them, you can just tap open the names, and it's going to open up their profile on Instagram. From here you can just tap on unfollow and unfollow these people. You cannot unfollow them all at once. You need to do it manually. So you need to tap on individual accounts like I just showed you and unfollow them one by one. So using this application, you can easily remove those ghost followers that you have on your Instagram account. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.